Hi guys, so this is step 5, the last step of the blueprint, and in this step I'm basically going to put everything together that we did in the previous 4 steps and explain to you how this creates an online business for you that makes money. So diving right into it, let's say that for step 1, which is niche selection, I chose knee pain relief. It's a serious problem with an audience that needs a solution to it, so it basically has all the parameters of the niche that I told you about. It's a problem, it has a specific audience that needs a specific solution. And so that part is down. The next part is I make a site and I write articles on the topic. And then I write about the solutions to helping people solve the problem. And this basically sets up step 2 and 3, where I create a website and I write articles which get ranked on Google. And this leads into the next part, which is Google and other search engines pick up my articles, rank them on their search engine, and people who have knee problems find my articles when they type in a search that relates to their to what they're looking for. So someone can go into Google and type in how do I solve my knee pain symptoms. These are all known as keywords that people type into whatever it is into Google for whatever it is that they're searching for. And this is basically how it all works. Google is basically a GPS of the internet where someone needs to get somewhere, needs to find some kind of answer to their problem. They're going to go to Google, they're going to go to Bing, Yahoo, mainly Google, but they'll type in their search and websites are going to pop up. And if you have a niche specific topic and you write content about that niche specific content, Google is going to rank that. So this is going to lead to people coming to my site in droves, and if they see the products that I recommend and they see that these are products that help them solve their problems, they're going to click on the links, which are affiliate links, and they're going to buy the product, and this is going to make me money, and it's going to make you money if you follow the same steps. But in terms of how you get paid, it can be through check, it can be through PayPal, it can be through direct deposit. These are the three main ways that affiliate programs pay you. I've been involved with all three of these things. I personally think that PayPal and direct deposit are the easiest things because I don't have to, get the check and then physically take it to the bank. But that's basically how the system works. And as long as this keeps working, I keep writing more and more articles to gain more audiences to my site. And from there, I can go further and make more money, collect an email list, or do other various things to keep the business going. But this is the process. This is how it works. I've made websites that have had dozens of articles, hundreds of articles, and the more content you put on your site, the more the site grows and gets picked up by Google for various searches. And this is how you get hundreds of visitors to your site, thousands of visitors to your site, all relevant targeted traffic that is going to come to your page and buy stuff that you recommend. And that's basically how the whole system works. In the next video, I'm going to be giving you examples of the 5 step process on actual websites that I've made that I've actually been making money by using these 5 steps to basically give you a reference to go by as you move forward through this. So thank you very much, and if you have any questions, again, please leave it below this video. Thanks.